Yo, what's up guys? It's Pyogosy, the Crypto Pie, and today I'm going to talk about watch lists, guys. Alright? Because this is a very important point in your trading career, is that you have watch lists. Alright? And you need to go through them every day, and sometimes a few times a day, alright? If something interesting is popping. So what you do, guys, is on tradingview.com, make sure you have an account. Because if you have an account, you can have a watch list, right? And you can add multiple coins. So you go to tools, like on the right side here. You make sure you click on this magnifying glass, and you click on watch list, right? So it opens up, and then you just add them, guys. So you always see this is my watch list, guys. It's not a tarot like a lot or anything. This is just what I'm watching, right? You cannot watch every coin, guys, right? Get that out of your mind. You cannot watch every coin. So just try to do whatever you can, right? So we're just going over my watch list right now. What I like to do is either be on the daily, on the 6 hour, 12 hour, or 4 hour. So let's just be on the 4 hour for now. And you know, so when you have a watch list, guys, make sure you just do your due diligence. I counted 5 waves here on ADA, right? Very simple. Then obviously I take the Fibonacci from the bottom to the top, and I get this field, so I place a big buy window here, right? Has it dropped in there a little bit? Yes, but I'm not interested yet, right? I think it can definitely go a little steeper in here. I mean, what if we get another wave down, and it could lead to perhaps over here, right? Here I also have an alert, so when it alerts me here, I know I should buy some ADA. So that is just how I do it, guys. And also draw your lines, right? You can see this in a falling wedge, and you know, so eventually it will either break up or break down. If it breaks up, I'm going long. If it breaks down, technically I'm going short. I can actually on bitmax.com, guys, links in the description below. You can check out Bitmax as well. You can short and you can go long on certain pairs, on Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, a few more, ZAC, NEO is coming, but keep in mind Bitcoin are perpetual contracts and the other ones are different contracts. I don't know exactly what the difference is, so if anyone can tell me that, guys, leave a comment, you know, leave it in the comments below so you can tell me the difference. I don't know. I mean, I've done trades on both, and it just seems to work, but the price is just a little different, right? So anyways, guys, this is about watch list. So ADA, right? And then you just, so every day at the start of the day, guys, you just go through your watch list. You have all your coins here. So ADA, okay, it's not breaking out or breaking down, so I'm not interested for a swing trade, right? So guys, I'm interested for a swing trade, for example on this ADX, when it gets close to either here, here, or when it's breaking out over here, right? I'm not interested in the middle, because why would I? Why would I be interested in the middle? We don't know what it's gonna do. So not interested. And that's how easy it is, guys. You just go flip through it, right? Bitcoin Cash, not interested. Bitcoin Cash USD, not interested. BNB, interested, right? So that's how easy, guys. So Binance Coin, this looks interesting, right? So I know I need to follow Binance Coin for today. So I look on the 4 hour right now, and I'm going to zoom in because I want to know what's going on. So 2 hours dropping on the stock RSI, which is good. Then maybe it can take it out of this falling wedge we're in, right? Because obviously we did our due diligence on Binance, and we counted the waves, right? We have counted the waves, guys. Right, so we had a wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, it's that simple. If we just take the trend-based FIP extension here to the wave 2, you can see that we got to 1.618 here and about a 5.618 up here, right? So that's just how simple it is, guys. That's how you count your waves, and you start drawing your lines, right? Sometimes I draw them a little sloppy, but it doesn't matter. See, guys, because it's not about drawing them sloppy or anything. It's just so you know, is it close to this line? If yes, I need to better watch it like a hawk, right? let's put this a little bit more nicely now. So like this, right? But anyway, so yeah, this one's looking interesting, right? Right now, it's just, and I look at the 1 hour now, and I can just follow this on the 1 hour. If this is gonna break out, well, you need to put yourself a boundary. Where do you want to buy? So obviously you wanted to buy down here, or you want to buy when it breaks out. Well, where's your breakout area to buy? Well, mine would be about here, right? If it goes a little bit above here, I'm interested, very interested. Okay, so I put my box out here, and that is how I do it, guys. Because let's say I would buy here, right? Then I have a nice risk to reward ratio. So here's my risk, 22%. It's a lot on a swing trade, right? But you know, my rewards 57%. It's 2.57. But that is not everything, guys. So it came down to a 0.5. So right now we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? You know that now. So we can actually like make this chart a little cleaner here, right? And use the Fibonacci extension tool, and this will be wave 1, right? And then this is wave 2, and it came all the way down here. I count this wick, and let's say it goes to about a 1-to-1, then I'm interested in selling about up here, right? This is my sell area, guys. So let me just make that make it red for you guys. Boom. This is my sell area. What is that, guys? 5.49 risk to reward? I'm interested, right? So are you, right? I mean, that's just how easy it is, guys, right? So that you just make your plan before it hits there. If it hits there, you execute. That's simple, okay? So that's Binance. So, and that's just one example, guys, right? We're just going through now. So then we go to BTC1, which are the CME futures, guys. Always interesting to look at. Then we got BTC USD. It's obviously, you know, the Bitfinex chart. And you see my bigger waves here, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yes, you see that right. We can go a little lower to about 7,700. But that is if the falling wedge, if we go up here and then down again. But always have a plan, guys. All right, so then we move over to the Bitcoin longs. You see that, and thanks to XCOM and another cool YouTuber, guys, a really cool YouTuber, Philak1. Big shout out to him. He is an inspiration, guys. Right? If you think I'm good at earlier waves, you gotta check out him. Right? You gotta check out Philak1, and you gotta check out Hedgen Lee as well. So they're definitely inspirations. And you know, I'm just doing what all the Elliott wave traders are doing, guys. Alright, just counting your waves, making your lines, and executing trades. Alright, that's all. So this is the Bitcoin longs. It's looking good, right? You see it's in upwards. This is the shorts, guys. Look at that. The shorts are going down. No people are shorting anymore. Right? So that is cool to see, right? So we got Bitcoin gold. It fell out of its little down. It's in a, you know, down channel, but it came up again. So, you know. Then we have Dash. So Dash is interesting here, right, guys? Look at that. Look at Dash, right? So Dash is interesting here. So we got Dash. That's interesting right now, and Binance. So what I like to do is I just like to write it all down, right? So we just you open a notepad and you write it down, right? I can't do that right now because I don't know what will pop up, but yeah, you write it down. So you have Dash and you got Binance. Then which other ones? Not Elf's not interesting yet. I'm still looking for a target up here. ETC, not interested. Well, it's getting there, right? ETC is getting there, guys. So, but you look at this every day. So, and on the 4 hour for a swing trade, okay, let's say you come a bit late in the trade, but you know that it's going higher, right? If this was a wave 1, a Dash is such an ugly chart, guys. I don't like this. I mean, ETC is such an ugly chart. what can I do with this chart, right? It's ugly. But then we got Ethereum, Bitcoin. So it's in a channel. So where are you interested in buying? Down here. And where are you interested in shorting it? Up here. Or when it breaks out, you're interested in buying again. Simple, right? Ethereum USD. It's in a triangle. So you're only interested at the peaks, guys, here and here, right? That's just how simple it is. Then we got game credits, my only Bittrex chart I think I follow, because I'm a huge gamer myself. So, you know, I like to follow the gaming coins, and game credits is one of them. So, but that one's in a descending triangle, which I think can fall down. So if it falls down from here, it can fall all the way to here, right? So you just gotta be mindful of that. Icon unfortunately fell through, so my stop triggered here, you know. I didn't sell a whole lot. I wish I stopped out more, but hey, that is life, right? So yeah, but that's how it is, guys. But just always track your watch list. So IOTA, not interesting. Lisk, not interesting. This is how easy you flip through it. Litecoin is interesting. Look at that. Litecoin is interesting, guys. So we have now Binance, got Litecoin, see, and I forgot one, see, because I didn't write them down. So I should always write them down. But Litecoin's interesting here. Neo, not interesting. OMG, Bitcoin, it's about there. PivX, it's getting there. Power, nope. Qtum is not well, I mean, getting close to like the under area, right? So if you buy down here, guys, so you would buy down here, you want to have a stop as well, right? You want to have your stop preferably under this wick, but that's kind of a long wick, but still, you want to have a stop because it's dangerous for sure. And also if you buy here, obviously you want to stop like somewhere under here, right? It's just how it is. So Qtum, Salt, not interesting. Stratus, not interesting. Oh, it was in my buy area here. I think I caught some strat. My orders, some of them went through. Tron, it's getting interesting here, definitely. Oh, Tron. So this was a difficult one, right? But I kind of see it as this, guys. I don't know, like this one, this looks good to me. Alright, so we have 0.5 here, right? So now we're just gonna do some Tron here, right? So down here, up there, down here. Where would I sell? Up here-ish. Right? That simple, guys. Up here. So that is just how I do it, guys. That's how I do my analysis. Nothing crazy, right? And that sounds like a mad target, right? If I tell people that they can make 300%, people are gonna be like, whoa. But that is reality, guys. I've seen it happening, and I've not done too many of those trades myself yet, because I've really started mastering the Elliott wave. Or mastering, I mean, it's a big word, right? But really started to really realize it works and understand it and trust on it, like maybe a few months ago. So before that, I've tried so many strategies, guys. I've done the cloud Ichimoku trading, you know, I've done everything kind of, and I'm very basic now, right? Elliott wave is my go-to. Plus obviously you just gotta know your patterns, but these patterns are really easy to understand, right? It's just a wedge, and then sometimes it goes through. Okay, that's fine. That's fine, guys. It happens. But you just gotta stick to your guns there. So waves, well, waves is kind of boring. Nothing going on. So Walton chain, did a little analysis on here as well. So you can see we're in a nice upwards channel, right? So Walton chain, my target is up here. It's that simple, guys. But we need to go down, right? A little further, preferably. We don't always, but hey. So, how do you get that target? Well, it's from the first wave, right? Second wave. So we got all the way to 1.618. So then I choose about the 3.618, which is here, right? So for the second target, and it's nearly there, right? So but I think we need to go down and then one more up. So that is just my analysis on Walton there. Bitcoin Euro, Bitcoin USD. So this is the perpetual swap chart, guys. This is what BitMEX uses. It's just a little difference to the normal chart. And you can short and long this, etc. I can definitely make a video, separate video about this if you guys want. But for now, this is about Watchlist, guys. So we're going further of my watchlist, which is XLM, Lumen. So I did a little analysis on here as well, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, so I do analysis on all the charts that I watch, guys. Okay, so that's simple. 1 to 1 will be around here, and 1.618 is about here, right? Simple. And that is just my targets up here and up here, right? Simple, guys. Keep it simple. So then we have XMR, which is interesting here, but that's another really sloppy chart, right? I cannot do much with this. Then we go XRP, Bitcoin. Like I said, guys, my buy area is all the way down here. And I know you guys don't want to hear that, but I've seen XRP do that, alright? And I'm very careful with XRP, knowing its behavior. I think this is not even low enough, and we definitely have another zone here, right? So let me make that green. I have another zone down there, guys. Why is that? Well, let's take a Fibonacci here. Right, so 786, 886, right? That is why, guys. It is how XRP likes to move. So that's how it is. XRP USD, however, is a little different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just do a quick Fibonacci on here. So it's at the 786 here, 886. So it's about there, right, guys? It's about there. This would have been a good buy area, but missed it. But so now, if you want to buy, guys, remember, needs to break above this, right? So not interesting yet. XVG is breaking out. That is interesting. That is interesting. But then I also have to consider this higher line. So sometimes you have to do analysis a little longer, guys. So you know, this is also a line, right? I'm simply dragging the whole thing because these wicks, they were kind of ultimate, but it can happen again. So for now, I'm dragging my tool up here, and we'll have to see what happens. But this is definitely an interesting one as well, because let's just do some technicals on it. If we take the Fibonacci here to the upside here, we got all the way to 786, guys, which is healthy, right? It's nice to see. So a deep retrace means a big jump incoming. Okay, so this was the top, this was the bottom, right? Somewhere here. So where is our target, guys? Well, first target is up here. And second target is up here. Right? So that is just how I do it, guys. And then you can start drawing your TA. So we know this is 5 waves. I've been counting that multiple times. So now it's simple, right? Because now we can just draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, that's how you do it, guys. And you know, that's just how I see it, and I think the chart will play like that. So it might be an interesting time to buy, actually. So XVG can do a massive jump here, guys. Do not underestimate cryptocurrency, alright? So that's XVG for you. Then we got ZAC. It's getting interesting as well. So a lot of charts are getting interesting, guys, and that is because obviously the market is going up, right? The Bitcoin is going up. But remember, guys, remember what I said about Bitcoin. We still have a leg down according to Elliott wave theory. So that is kind of concerning. I know, like, there has been this, what I counted before, guys. It is definitely interesting, right? But that's a smaller wave. That's why it also worked, because this was a smaller wave, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, that's a smaller wave, but this is the bigger wave, guys. 1, 2, 3, and then you get a 4, and we still need to get a 5 then, right? That is a bigger wave, and I kind of trust in bigger waves. So it is what it is, guys. But yeah, so I think we will get up here-ish. So, see, here we had a wick, so I kind of see this as a shorting opportunity on BitMax at about 9.8, and then all the way down, back down to the old low. So I'll probably close about A3, A4. Lock in the profit on that short, and then, you know, go from there. But that is how I see it, guys. So, you know, also, guys, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where we talk among each other, where I get, you know, where you can ask me questions or ask other people questions, and it's just a great chat box to be in. Alright. Also, join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I keep you guys up to date with all the ICOs. I unfortunately couldn't make the Republic protocol, you know, but that is how it is, guys. It's fine, you know, there's so many ICOs, I'm not even worried one bit. And I also post all my videos here, and of course new ICOs and new whitelisting and stuff that you guys need to, you know, keep attention to. So yeah, guys, both links of the Telegrams will be in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.